Neck feeling tight like a stuck jar lid? I've got a simple towel traction routine you can do at home to gently decompress your neck. First, grab a medium bath towel. Fold it lengthwise into a long strip, then roll it to about the thickness of your forearm. Sit tall or lie on your back with your knees bent. Placement matters. Slide the towel under the base of your skull, right on the bony ridge, not on your neck muscles, and definitely not on your throat. Move 1. Gentle lift. Hold one end of the towel in each hands. Angle your hands up about 30-45 degrees toward the ceiling. Inhale. As you exhale, gently lift to create a light upward glide. Think lengthen, not yank. Hold 5-8 seconds, breathing calmly. Release. Do 6 to 10 reps. You should feel relief at the skull base, not sharp pain. Move 2. Side bias for stiff spots. Keep the towel at the skull base. Turn your nose just 10 to 15 degrees toward the tight side. Lift the towel in that same upward angle for 5 to 8 seconds. Release. Do 3 to 5 reps per side. Keep your jaw unclenched and shoulders relaxed. Move 3. Chin tuck assist. With the towel still anchored at the skull base, nod like you're making a tiny yes, creating a double chin feeling. While holding that nod, add a light upward towel lift for 3 to 5 seconds. Release. Do 5 reps. This targets deep neck flexors without strain. Finish with 3 slow breaths, shoulders down, eyes soft. How often? 1 to 2 times daily during flare-ups, then a few times a week for maintenance. Green flags. Easier head turns, less heaviness, no radiating pain. Red flags. Dizziness, nausea, vision changes, numbness. Stop and get checked. Remember, gentle, angled, and at the skull base. Your neck should feel longer, lighter, and calmer in under 2 minutes.